Today's summary is about a book that could transform your financial future. Have you ever wondered why some people achieve financial freedom while others struggle? Stay with us as we delve into The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. This book offers practical advice on how to achieve and maintain financial independence. Section 1. Introduction. J.L. Collins wrote this book to teach his daughter about financial stability. In 2011, when she returned from college, he asked, "Do you know how to manage your money?" She replied, "Yes, Dad, but I can't focus on money all the time." This conversation inspired Collins to write down his financial wisdom for her, resulting in The Simple Path to Wealth. Section 2. Phases of Financial Freedom. Collins outlines two key phases to financial freedom: wealth accumulation and wealth preservation. Wealth accumulation. In this phase, you save and invest enough to cover your basic needs, ensuring you don't have to worry about essentials like food, clothing, or shelter. The goal is to build sufficient funds to maintain your basic lifestyle. Wealth preservation. Once you've accumulated enough wealth, the next step is to preserve it. This involves withdrawing just enough each year to stay financially free for the rest of your life, maintaining your wealth to support you indefinitely. Section 3. The problem with debt. Debt is a significant barrier to financial independence. Collins learned this firsthand with his first credit card, accruing $3,000 in debt, but being enticed by the minimum payment due of just $100. He quickly realized the pitfalls of interest accumulation and the psychological burden of debt. Collins advises avoiding debt and, if already in debt, paying it off systematically based on interest rates. Debt management tips. 1. Calculate your total debt. 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. 3. Rank debts by interest rate. 4. Pay off high-interest debts first. 5. Repeat the process until debt-free. Paying off debt requires discipline but is crucial for financial freedom. Control your spending and focus on eliminating debt to pave the way for future investments. Section 4. The concept of FU money. FU money, according to Collins, is the savings that give you the freedom to make bold decisions without financial worry. For Collins, this money allowed him to quit his job to travel when his boss refused his leave request. Building this financial buffer is essential for handling unexpected situations and ensuring long-term security. Section 5. Changing your money mindset. Changing your perspective on money is vital. View money not just as something to spend, but as a tool to generate more wealth. Consider opportunity costs for every purchase. For example, investing $20,000 in a Vanguard Total Stock Market Index, VTSAX, could yield significant returns over time compared to spending it on a car. Section 6. Investment Principles. Investing in the stock market requires understanding its nature. Market crashes are inevitable but temporary. The market always trends upwards over time. Stay focused on long-term growth, ignore media noise, and continue learning about the market. Diversify your investments to minimize risk. Investment guidelines. 1. No perfect time to enter the market. 2. Avoid trying to pick individual stocks. 3. Focus on the overall market, not daily fluctuations. Section 7. Essential tools for investing. Collins emphasizes 3 key tools: stocks, bonds, and cash. Stocks. Stocks are ideal for long-term investments and provide good inflation hedges. Bonds. Bonds act as a deflation hedge, offering a safer investment during economic downturns. Cash. Cash is beneficial during deflationary periods, but generally has lower returns. Keep minimal cash and invest the rest for better growth. Section 8. Importance of index funds. Index funds are great for passive income. By investing in an entire index, you reduce the risk of picking individual stocks. Collins recommends funds like VTSX for wealth accumulation. His own investment in VTSX grew significantly over the years, illustrating the power of passive income. Section 9. Allocating your money. For wealth accumulation, Collins suggests a portfolio of 75% stocks, 20% bonds, and 5% cash. This allocation ensures growth and stability. During the wealth preservation phase, maintain this balance to secure your financial future. Conclusion. In summary, achieving financial independence involves 1. Changing your relationship with money. 2. Avoiding and paying off debt. 3. Building FU money. 4. Adopting a wise investment mindset. 5. Using essential tools like stocks, bonds, and cash. 6. Investing in index funds for passive income. 7. Properly allocating your money to ensure growth and stability. By following these principles, you can navigate the world of investing with confidence and achieve financial freedom. Thank you for listening to this summary of The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. If you found these insights helpful, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Stay financially savvy and take care. I'll see you in the next video.